Do you feel that your cleaning business would just fall apart without you there? You're working non-stop, you're doing the cleaning, you're answering the calls, you're doing the quotes, you're doing the admin, you're managing the clients, and you're dealing with the cleaner drama. And if you take a day off, everything goes wrong.
Bestie, that's not how a business should run.
Your business should work for you and not the other way around. Today, I'm going to give you 5 strategies that you can use in your business to make sure that your back office and business runs smoothly without you micromanaging every tiny detail. Ready to get mop free and productive? Let's go. Step 1. Systemise everything. Here is a big massive truth bomb to start off this video. If your business cannot operate without you, you have not created a business, you have created a job.
A moment of silence for your hurt feelings.
In order for you to be a bona fide cleaning business owner, you need to be off the mop and tools and be somebody that works on your business and not in your business. Action step 1, start creating your operations manual. An operations manual or procedure will give you freedom to eventually come off the tools altogether. It will allow you, if you want to sell your business, that you have the guide of this is how you do it, or if you want to franchise it, you have the guide that you can then sell to other people that says this is a successful operating system that I have used and have tested and it made me X amount of money a year. So when I say systemize everything, I mean everything. Start jotting down and making notes of all the things you do. How do you clean a toilet? In what order do you do that? In what way do you clean a kitchen? How do you clean a bathroom? Where do you start? Where do you finish? How do you create an invoice on your system? How do you create a credit note? How do you book in a clean and add it to a rota? All of these things detailed step by step by step by step by step, so even a 5-year-old could do it. Ask yourself, if you got sick tomorrow, how would your business run? How would it still continue to operate? Or if something happens in your life, would you have to shut your business down because without you, there is no business? And I say this to you as somebody that has 6 autoimmune diseases and conditions to her name. I had to create an operations manual and systems and processes inside of my business because even though I might be good today, I might not be good tomorrow. I might end up in hospital next week, as I have been hospitalized many times throughout my cleaning business journey. And so an operations manual allowed me to not only continue to grow my business, but also take on managers and supervisors who I could train using the operations manual to do the job in exactly the same way I did it, which was why I grew in the first place. Step 2, automate admin and client communication. Okay, so this step is going to be quite sexy to all you people that spend your time replying to people day and night on Facebook. You don't need to do that. You can automate it. Action step. You can use a booking software like Zenmade, Jobber, House Call Pro, Breeze Easy. There's lots of them out on the market now. If you have no money for fancy software at the moment, please drop a purple heart in the comments or the word automate, and I will show you a step-by-step free way which I use at the beginning of my business for you to schedule your cleaners for no money. Step 3, delegate and empower your team. You can't grow if you do everything yourself.
I did this in my business and I made myself super sick and then had a massive burnout. No stars, would not recommend at all.
So please learn from my mistakes and train and empower your cleaners, your admin staff, and even your clients on certain procedures and systems within your business so that you're not taking the same 10 phone calls a day, every day for the rest of your life. For staff members, your operations manual will stop people asking you the same questions over and over again. If you create a frequently asked questions form for your clients, this can also stop with the same questions again and again and again. This will save you time, as it will be a do once and forget about it exercise for you as the business owner. Action step. Maybe put a team member in charge of schedules to see how they get on. Let an admin handle all client queries. Or
Super duper techie, but I love it and can teach you how to do it.
create a chatbot within your business to answer all of the questions and queries that you may get. Step 4, set boundaries with clients and staff. If your client thinks that they can phone you at 10 o'clock of an evening, or if your cleaner thinks that they can contact you on a Saturday afternoon, that is a massive you problem. You can't call your accountant at 10 o'clock at night. You can't decide that you want to go to H&M or pop to Next at 11 o'clock on a Sunday evening. So tell me this, why is your business a 24/7 operation? All business owners are guilty of this, and I have been guilty of it myself. But I would absolutely recommend and really advise that you put in strict boundaries in your business. This will help you keep a work-life balance and not burn out. Action step. Set clear rules within your business and start with these 3. First of all, your hours of business. When are you open and when are you closed? Number 2 are your response times for going back to messages. Is it 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours? Once you've decided on your response times, you can include that in your automated message. And 3, have an escalation process. So for example, in my business, if somebody comes to the Facebook page, they would receive the automated message that says, "Thanks very much for your inquiry. We'll be back to you within the next 24 hours. However, if you're a client and you have an issue, please contact us on the out of office mobile.
Please note, I do not include the out of office mobile number on automated messages. I do not want random people or spammers or salespeople ringing me on that number.
I absolutely promise you your business will not collapse because you haven't replied to a message that some individual sent you at 5 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon when you were at the park with your kids. Protecting your work-life balance will make sure that your business lasts year after year after year, and will make sure that you stay happy, healthy and sane with what you're doing. Step 5, join a supportive business community. So if you want real business strategies, support and ongoing content that you will not find anywhere else, please come and join us in the private Facebook community, Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners. I really look forward to seeing you inside the group. So if we want to start building a business that's going to work without us eventually, we are going to systemize and document all of our processes, automate our admin and our bookings, delegate tasks to our team, set boundaries with our clients and with our staff, and we're going to stick to them. And finally, we are going to join the Maiden Business Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Group so that we continue on this journey of improving our business skills and knowledge. So tell me in the comments below, what has been the hardest thing that you have struggled to let go of, or you think you might struggle to let go of in your cleaning business? What is it that scares you to death to hand it to somebody else and say, please don't break it, please do it like I've done it? I would love to know. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video, but in the meantime you can watch this video here or this video here, and you can subscribe right here. Until next week, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.